Today I am making the video on the circle that is useful for the students of 11th, 12th and IIT JEE. First, see the definition of the circle. Circle is defined as a locus of a point which moves in a plane that its distance from a fixed point in the plane is constant. Here, this is the locus. We choose a point on it, then its distance from the fixed point, which is center, remain constant, and that distance is radius. Now we find out the equation of the circle. For this purpose, we take the center as HK and radius R, and choose an arbitrary point x, y on this circumference on the boundary of the circle. So we use the distance formula. This is the distance formula. Substitute the value of x2 as x, x1 h, and similarly y2 y1, and then we get it, and square each side, and this is the equation of the circle. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. Now we see the example on it. Determine the equation of the circle with when the radius and center are given. Okay, so here r equals to 4 and h comma k equals to -2 and 3. Substitute these values in the equation of circle h and k and r. So we get this equation and expand it. This is the equation of the circle when center and radius is given. Now we learn what is the general equation of the circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0 is called the general equation of the circle. Here center, what is center? Center is minus g minus f. Okay, what is minus g? Minus g is minus half of coefficient of x, and minus f is minus half of coefficient of y, and radius is this, root g square plus f square minus c. So we check what is the circle when g square plus f square minus c positive equal to 0 and less than 0. When it is positive, what does it mean? The radius is positive. Radius exists, is real. So circle exists. When it is 0, then it became a point circle. When less than 0, then circle does not exist. Radius negative. Okay. So and what is the position of a point with respect to a circle? Okay. We find out the position of a point whether it lies inside, outside, or on the circle. For this purpose, we substitute x1 y1 in the this and circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. We get the s1 here. If check whether s1 is positive. If it is positive, then point lies outside the circle. If it is less than 0, then lies inside the circle, and equals to, then circle lies on the circumference boundary of the circle. Now see the one example on it. Find the coordinates of the center and radius of the circle whose equation is given. Okay, this is the equation. So compare with this equation with the general equation of the circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2y plus c equals to 0. Here 2gx equals to 2x, then g can we obtain? G equals to 1. Similarly f, compare it, f equals to -2 and c equals to -11. Okay, we get the center here, minus g minus f, substitute here. Okay, so now radius can be obtained as root g square plus f square minus c. Substitute value of g f c here also. We get the radius in circle, center, radius and center. Okay, now we learn the general equation of a second degree. This is the general equation. x square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus equals to 0. Okay, what is the condition when this represents a circle? So coefficient of x square here a and coefficient of y square here b, both should be equal, and coefficient of xy should be 0, h equals to 0. And let's see one example on it. The equation, the curve represent why this equation is. This is equation x square plus y square 4x plus 6y plus 13 equals to 0. Compare this with general equation of the secondary degree. This, on comparison, we get x equals to 1, b equals to 1, and no xy term, so h equals to 0. So x square, coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square are the same, 1, and no coefficient of xy, so it is the circle. So further check its radius. For this purpose, we compare with the general equation of the circle. So on comparison, 2gx equals to 4x, so g equals to 2, and similarly compare this term with this, f equals to 3 and c equals to 13, and substitute in the radius root g square plus f square minus c, which is 0. So circle is point circle. Now we find out the equation when the endpoints of the diameter are given, x1 y1 and x2 y2. Okay, so these are the endpoints of diameter: a x1 y1, b x2 y2. As we know that diameter makes 90 degree on the circumference. So which here one point P, x comma y. So we use the slope of PA and we use the slope of PV. Slope of PA and slope of PV obtained as y minus y1 upon x minus x1 and PV y minus y2 upon x minus x2. And when two lines are perpendicular to each other, then multiplication of their slopes m1 m2 equals to minus 1. So use this property. Okay, then further simplify it. This is the equation of the circle when endpoints are given: x minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y1, y minus y2. Now we see one example on it. If the abscissa and the ordinates of the 2 points are given, P and Q, this are the roots of the equation: x square plus 2ax minus b square equals to 0 and x square plus 2px minus q square equals to 0. Then the equation of the circle with PQ as a diameter. Okay, what is the abscissa? X coordinates, and what is the ordinates? Y coordinates. So x1, x2 are the roots of this equation, y1, y2 are the roots of the equation. So sum of the roots can be obtained as x1 plus x2 equals to minus 2a, minus of coefficient of x. Okay, and multiplication of the roots is constant term. Similarly, y1 plus y2 is minus 2p, and y1 y2 equals to q minus q square. Then substitute in the equation of the circle here. On simplify this, and we substitute the value of x1 plus x2 as minus 2a. Similarly, y1 plus y2 minus 2p, and simplify, we get the equation of the circle.